How to start an engine on a stand from DIYTruckBuild.com. For those of you who are building your project truck on a budget, buying a used engine can cut down on a lot of the costs. The $300 to $500 you spend may not buy you the engine that you always dreamed of, but a used engine can get your truck on the road for a lot less. It's important to know if these experienced engines are solid, and you can check that by doing a bench test on an engine stand. Step 1. Mount engine. I bought a stand online, and my engine mounted right into it. Step 2. Hook up the radiator. Step 3. Hook up a fuel source. The fumes are flammable, so keep it sealed and have good ventilation. Step 4. Hook up your battery terminal positive side cable to the big lead on the starter. Step 5. Hook the negative cable to the engine block for ground. This is a good time to hook up any gauges that you may want to use. Hook your starter button clamps to the poles on the starter. Attach the hot wire to the battery. You are now ready to start your engine. This is a great time to adjust the carburetor and set the timing while you have such good access to the engine. See lots more at DIYTruckBuild.com.